on the ends of words. Well, what type of syllable is it in? Hang on, Winston.
Oh, it's in a closed syllable.
So the vowel sound will be
Short.
Okay. So do you see why we do things in an order?
Shaz.
On Winston, on the ends of the words.
I don't know.
Why don't you code the vowels first, mate? Okay, because okay, good. Okay, mate. So you got two choices there, don't you? Because you got a VCV.
Chose and then cross.
Now, if you're going to split it where you split it, just move your hand. If you're going to split that where you split it, you're going to have a closed syllable, and you're going to have to say chos.
So I've split all those ones in the wrong way.
Not all of them, because do you remember I taught you VCV words can be split in two different places. Do you remember where they are?
There.
Yep. Or?
There.
Good. Now, sometimes you've got to read the word and you go, all right, chossen. Have I heard of chossen?
I've
No.
never heard.
What if you move the split over behind the O? How would you say it then?
Chosen.
Okay, have you heard of the word chosen?
Yeah.
Yep. So that is the correct split for that word.
Is
Chuffing.
Good. Two ways. You were closer the first time. Take your time. Two ways to spell O. Winston?
Chafinic.
O is O.
First syllable's correct.
Chafe.
Good. Cover your first syllable. Now we're just going to concentrate on the second syllable.
Finch.
Yep.
Chaffinch.
Chaffinch.
Chaffin. That is hard.
Yeah, there's a hard word to decode, but you smashed it. Give it a tick. Winston, three ways to spell k.
Spinach.
Good.
Try X. Yep.
Now, do you notice that E on the end?
Yeah.
What do you reckon it's doing to that E there?
Making it long.
Now, you're looking at an E, consonant E. Now, we don't have that on our long vowel chart.
Oh, Chinese.
Chinese. It's an E, consonant E. And you're going to have to use your rules. And if you get any wrong, Rachel gets it. She's in big trouble. Just joking. So there's your CK Part 1 rule. There's your CK Part 2 rule.
What do I get?
Oh, I don't know. You get the satisfaction to know that you're learning incredibly well. Hey, listen, got a question for you. If you're going to spell the sound k in front of an I, what are we going to use? Oh, what did you use? Quick, you better go fix that up. Now, hang about. There's a rule breaking here. What we're trying to spell is scan. Just what? Hey, what's that vowel there? You want to fix it? So we fixed up scan. Good. What's that read? That's what. What's that word again? Lovely. What's that word? Beautiful.
Is a prefix or suffix?
No, mate. They go on different ends of the words.
Yeah, but wouldn't it go with the suffix? Like,
Oh, yeah, that's right, because they are both affixes.
I love that picture.
Oh, actually, no. What we do, mate, is we put it up next to it. Because prefixes are letters or groups of letters that go at the start of the word and change the meaning slightly.
Yeah.
Suffixes are letters or groups of letters that go at the
end of the word
and change the meaning slightly. So if you have a look at the cracker over there, just walk over to the cracker. We'll put a word with a prefix on it. Winston, you said bone, didn't you, mate? Yeah. Okay, Archie, can you please rub out? Leave feed in there. Archie, put the prefix sub down in the prefix part, would you?
Sub, okay.
Yeah.
Where's sub?
Up in the. It's a green. All the prefixes are green.
Okay. Oh, green.
Sub.
Sub. There we are.
Good. So put sub down where the prefixes go.
Yep.
So do you know what the prefix sub means? Because all.
Yeah. Doesn't it mean underwater?
Oh my gosh! It can mean underwater. Submarine means underwater. What if the temperatures are if they talk about sub-zero temperatures?
Oh, that's just the degrees.
So if it's sub-zero, it's
minus.
Below zero.
It's below so there's it's 30 degrees and then there's minus 30 degrees.
Archie, if I say that effort was substandard, what do I mean?
It was better than normal.
No, sub means.
It was understandard.
Understandard. So if I ever say to you, Archie, that's substandard, guess what, mate? It's not good news.
It's not good enough.
It's not good news.
Yeah,
All right, mate.
You're not good enough.
Back over here.
Oh, I was going to do subject.
Okay, you're going to go.
Subjected.
Subjected. Archie was subjected to all sorts of awful comments from Bill every time he came to a lesson. Good job. Hey, just turn around. Let's look at ject. Now, have you ever seen the word ject on its own in a sentence?
No.
No. Do you know why?
Why?
It's what we call a root.
Oh yeah, root word, so it's always with something else.
Always needs a suffix or a prefix to work.
So it's like the root of the tree, but it's just a root. It still needs a tree to grow.
I like your thinking. Missing sound is something. No, the missing sound is O. You've got to make choices. What are two ways to spell O?
O is
No.
O. O is O consonant.
Right. So, mate, look at the first word. Be with you in a minute, sport. What's the first word got to be?
Rope.
That's right. So the missing sound is O. Now, how are you going to spell O in rope?
O consonant E.
Lovely. So then you'll say to yourself, so it'll be spelled R-O-P-E. You'll say it out loud. Say it out loud.
R-O-P-E.
You'll cover it. Say it again.
R-O-P-E.
Have the number 1 next to it, even though I don't have numbers. And go for it, mate. Read that one.
Hotel.
Good, which would split there, wouldn't it?
Again, and also says on the picture.
Good. Good. Moment, which would also split there. So it must be a V, C, V with an open first syllable. You knew that, didn't you? Hope. Good, 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 good. Okay, mate. Put your writing book away. Oh, would you please get something wrong over there? Just for once. Right. Okay. Alright, mate. Now remember, this is making your brain pay particular attention to whether there's a vowel consonant E pattern going on or whether there isn't. Whether it's just a closed syllable. So no guessing reading, because guessing is for chumps. What's guessing for?
Chumps.
Yeah, so the poorest readers in the world are guessers. Good.
Spad. Spade.
Beautiful. Write your new time down, mate. You'll notice you've improved it.
Okay. Now we have already learnt this sound. This sound is sh. Okay. We have learnt that when S and H are together, it makes. I'm thinking of the word ship. 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 Ready? Ship. Ship. Okay, so eyes are up. Alright, let's go. What have we got?
Ish, wish,
Ish.
fish, all, shop, sheep.
Good. Chords on lap. Phone in fingers ready. Okay, then write a couple of ush words. Phone in fingers. Okay, I do. Shop. Or you do.
Shop, all,
Light in the word for, or. This word starts with, we know, or. Or is R controlled. We know there is going to be an R and it has a vowel with it. Or. Alright, Isa, you're now reading these cards to me. Isa here. Go.
Lord, sport, corn, corn, born, sworn, fork, fork, torch.
Okay, text is up. Pointing fingers ready. Alright, first one. Say cord.
Cord,
Pointing fingers. Order.
order,
Order.
cord. Rank,
Good.
blank,
2 sounds.
blank,
Good.
blank.
Good. Are you ready for your turn, Seema? We'll do yours with k on the end, okay? And we might have this one. Ready?
Lick,
That's not a real word, is it? But we can still read it. Mm-hmm.
stick, lick, lick.
All right. So you both know what this word says, don't you?
One,
Yeah, that's right. And you know what this one says, don't you?
one,
Yeah. And we know that in our irregular words, there's usually one sound, sometimes more, but one sound that's breaking the rules, and he's not making his normal
it's
sound. It is A. You know that, don't you? What sound is the A making?
Oh.
And what sound is the A making here?
Oh.
Why is the A making an op sound?
What?
The W? Yeah, because the W makes the A say a strange sound, doesn't it? And in this word, when it's W and A, the A says O. What does it say? O. That's right. So now you can read those. You'll also know how to read these ones. Let me show you. What's this one?
Wonder. Wash.